everybody, welcome to TNW Electronics. Today I'll be teaching you how to set up the Boston Digital BA735 speaker set. So first you'll need to start off with the main system. So this port here is for the power. This one is for the speaker that adjusts the treble and the volume. This there's an extra cable for, which I'll show you later in the video. This one is an AUX port, so you plug your AUX cord in there. And this is bass level, so in case you want to adjust the bass. Now, one of the first steps is connect to power. So you'll have this here, and just plug it in right here. So now that's done, you'll see this green light pop on, which means it's working. That you're plugged in power and power's coming through. Now, you'll need to get the side speaker that adjusts the treble and the sound, well, the volume. And so that is right here. You'll see it has this blue cord, and that plugs in right where the slot is. So you'll pick this up, and you see the blue spot right there. You just plug it right in. Make sure all the cables match up, all the little things inside, and you'll hear that boom sound as you heard, and that means plugged in. And another way to tell if it's working, see the green light here. Here you adjust the treble. No, over here you adjust the treble. Over here you adjust the volume. So there you go. Now there's another side speaker. This speaker you can just connect to your computer as by itself, or you can have the entire system. I like the entire system. So you take this, gotta take the stabilizer off, and you'll see the little round dot right there. You'll need to plug it in, and you'll hear that sound. That means the speaker's gonna work. And then you take the stabilizer back, and you put it back on. And there you go. Now, you have two cables that you can use to import sound. You have this cable, which this is for computers if you want, for older ones I believe. And this part connects to this part, and this connects to your device. So, I lift this up, and you'll see this port here. And you'll want to plug it in. Can be a little tough. And then you just plug this into your device. Now, there's one more thing you can use, and that's an AUX cable. It's what I like to use to connect my phone, my tablet, my laptop. It's just easier for me. And so, you plug this one in, and the analog in, the purple one right here, plug it right in. And then you're ready to go. Let's do some music. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please comment and subscribe.